Hi, everybody. I just wanted to get on here real quick. And, well, for starters, today is technically, as I shoot this video, the 1st of September. And it's Labor Day, 2025. Yesterday, on August 31st, excuse me, Cincinnati had their annual Riverfest, which, for those of you that aren't familiar with that, it's where the cities of Covington and Newport, Kentucky, get together with Cincinnati, Ohio, and they shoot fireworks off on the river. And there's a whole playlist, of Tony and I talking about it at my mom's house, or my parents' house. And, there's some videos of that on my channel here. Tony and I, and I've said this before, Tony and I have been paid to watch the fireworks with our jobs. And we just are like, whatever. As my dad once said, if you've seen one fireworks show, you've seen them all. This year was musicals. Like, they did, apparently The Lion King, Wicked. I don't know. I couldn't tell you. I didn't actually watch it because Tony and I were in the middle of eating dinner, I think, when it happened. Wait, no. Tony was asleep, and I was in the middle of, moving some stuff around. So, we weren't exactly watching it. I mean, the two of us are like, whatever. We've seen it enough to be like, been there, done that, got the t-shirt to prove it. Well, anyway, I mainly wanted to get on here and wish you all a safe and happy Labor Day. If you shoot off fireworks later on today, when it gets dark again, please do everybody a favor and don't drink and shoot fireworks, or drink and drive, or smoke weed or whatever and drive and what have you. Well, in case some of you are wondering, yes, Tony and I are okay. I'm not going to say where we are or what we're doing, other than we're okay. But Tony does have a GoFundMe page that I did want to mention, and I will share it in the description for this video. And it's self-explanatory. We need help with some stuff, but I'm going to let Tony explain that in the GoFundMe and what have you. And another thing is, though, if you, want to help out in other ways, if the direct line for Tony and or myself, reach out to us and we'll talk to you about it individually. But that's all I'm going to say about that here. So anyway, I hope you all have a safe and happy Labor Day, and we'll talk to you later. Bye.